Times Mozo team had a lively interaction with the managing director of Kwaklei and Khongunmelei Orchids Private Limited, Dr. Rajkumar Kishor. He is 48 years old and also a chief scientist of the farm. He recently launched a new herbal drink, namely ginger tea and ginger beer, which is non-alcoholic under the brand name Three Gingers. He got the idea of making this herbal drink to relieve himself from his illness. This drink is helpful to those who have cold, cough, and flu. COVID-19 patients can also drink this tea. However, it is mainly effective to the cancer and hepatitis patients. Now, let's hear about this new creation from the doctor himself. Hello and good afternoon everyone. This is Marina Konsam and right now I'm lab officer Dr. Rajkumar. Actually, we came here to ask him about the Three Ginger brand which he newly launched recently. And we are at his lab right now, which is known as Kwaklei and Khongunmelei Orchids Private Limited. Come on, let's ask some questions to Sir about these Three Gingers. Sir, first of all, I would like to you to introduce to the people about your name and designation. What are you doing right now and everything?
I'm Rajkumar Kishor, and basically I'm an orchid breeder, breeding new orchid using our native species and for the commercial cultivation of orchids. India requires a lot of orchids because we have been importing orchids from outside the country. So that is one aspect, and the second aspect is I am also doing some research on gingers, and I have discovered this Gingiber Kanglei, which is a new species way back in 2000. So my interest and the research work on gingers, it is paying at this time, and looking at the biochemical properties of these ginger species, I thought of developing some herbal health drinks which can be as good as ginseng product. So we have the resource here in Manipur, in Northeast India, and the thing is that we are not able to properly utilize these resources. And I'm a leukemia patient, and I underwent bone marrow transplant way back in 2017, and during those period I suffered a lot from chemotherapy and a whole lot of the treatment procedures. So I thought we require some health drinks which can prevent ourselves from deadly diseases like cancer. So it was conceptualized during those time, looking at the biochemical properties of Three Gingers which I use, and since last year, since 2019, I have been trying to standardize or optimize the product, this ginger beer which is non-alcoholic, and another ginger tea which is a herbal concoction or infusion. So now it is in a state that we can claim to have formulated a product which can hit the market, and which will be having so much of health benefits, including this protection from cancer and this hepatitis, etc. Why I am saying is looking at the background information of biochemical properties, antioxidant properties, antiviral properties of these three gingers. And recently, in 2020, like COVID-19 hit India, and till now we do not have so much of medicine to protect ourselves. So I thought that this particular ginger formulation or ginger concoction, this can help the people to give safeguard or safety against COVID-19. That is how we are bringing this into limelight into the media.
After that, I would like to ask about the difference between this ginger tea bag and about this ginger beer.
Yes, we have two different type of products using the same, the raw material or the ingredients. One is this is the herbal tea, or we have the deep type of the tea, which are some about say 1.5 gram of the mixture that is well calculated in a calculated ratio. These three gingers which are dried, powdered, and mixed, and again they are put into this tea bag. So you can enjoy this tea, and you can make three cup of say approximately 120 ml from one the tea bag. So this is herbal concoction or this infusion. That is one product, and the another is ginger beer, which is non-alcoholic. So this is some sort of ready to serve type of things that we can, if it is like produced in huge quantity, commercialized, you can get it in the stores or provisional stores, so that you can open the lid and have it, so that like it can give a protection, give immunity, and what we expect is something more than immunity, and you can enjoy this readily. But this will require machinery, bottle, and so many things for the production. So we are targeting on this herbal tea to hit the market first.
So what will be the price of this ginger herbal tea will be?
Actually, like it will be costing around rupees 15, because it can be lessened, but at the moment we do not get the raw materials readily, because these are not cultivated. The two of the species, they are not in cultivation, so it is difficult to get the raw material. So we are keeping at rupees 15 per tea bag, but you can make 3 cup of tea from one bag. So basically it will be say about rupees 5 per the cup of tea.
In this packet there are 10 tea bags, and the cost will be 150 then for this packet. Okay, and after this, sir, can you make a living by making this herbal tea and this non-alcoholic gingers? And I would like to know about that. Or are you giving another workers who are working under you?
Yes, we are this company, and we have our own in-house industry, and we have our own in-house this research laboratory. So we expect to do the manufacturing ourselves first, and if it is proven, if it is liked by people, and if it proves to be beneficial for the treatment of COVID and the other associated viral diseases, which are like basically of this influenza type of the diseases, then like definitely it will stay for a long period in the market. And see, other than this, for the COVID-19, like cancer patients, they can have it. And one interesting fact about this composition is that you can use it as spice also while cooking. You can just open it and put it in the what if you make chicken or mutton or any other fish curry, you can use it as masala, so that it can give a different flavor. So like it has diverse the application. So I think it will stay in the market for a long time.
Difficulty while making the process in making this ginger tea bags?
There is not much of difficulty, but things that we are in Manipur, and we do not get the raw materials like tea bags and even the pouches or the tea packaging, the boxes readily available here. Whatever we have ordered, they got stuck in this lockdown, and they haven't reached there. So with whatever we are having we are manufacturing, but one interesting fact is that we will bring into cultivation two of the underutilized ginger crop. That is the most interesting part, and like if this industry grows, then the associated agriculture practice means for the cultivation of these gingers, they will also grow.
I think the government needs to look upon this matter in helping Sir about making. Sir have said that he has difficulty in finding these raw materials for making this herbal tea bags. So Sir also said that this will be good for the COVID-19 infected patients also. So I think this will be a good initiative if the current government right now will help the Sir in making this process, and it will be better for all of us, I think, in Manipur. Sir, I would like to ask a question. What message do you want to give to this COVID-19 infected patients about this herbal tea?
Yes, like why we are, putting about the development or formulation of this product is that it may, what we conceptualize is that it may help the COVID patient in treating their ailments like the cough, cold, and the flu, which are associated with the COVID-19. So that is why, like, if there is difficulty in, with the commonly used medicines prescribed by doctors, they can add these herbal drinks in their daily diet as a nutraceutical, and can see if this really helps them or not. So, like, whatever we are claiming, it is to be proven by these COVID patients, because like ultimately it is for them, they can try it out and say whether it actually helps them or not.
Thank you, sir. So that's the end of today's interview with Sir Dr. Rajkumar Kishor. This is Marina Konsam reporting from Times Mozo. Thank you, everyone. See you next time.